Today, we are unlocking the mystery of extracting file names in DataStage. The Transformer stage is our hero, helping us slice and dice file paths effortlessly. String functions ensure precision because nobody likes messy data. Stage variables make processing efficient, think of them as our little helpers. And parameterization. It's like giving our extraction superpowers. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Welcome to the world of DataStage Transformer Stage. This powerhouse allows us to manipulate data with ease. Need robust transformations? It's got your back. String operations? No problem. Optimizing workflows? Consider it done. If Transformer Stage had a fan club, we'd be founding members. File paths are like addresses, they tell us where our data lives. Extracting file names helps us focus on what matters, the actual file. But beware, not all paths are created equals. That's why we need strategic extraction methods and trusty string functions to keep things clean. Let's get sorting. String functions are the Swiss Army knife of file name extraction. Write, index, field, and trim functions each play a role in cleaning and refining file names. Think of them as digital stylists, ensuring file names look sharp, accurate, and ready for action. All right, folks, file paths are the unsung heroes of computing. Different operating systems have their own quirky ways of handling them. Windows loves backslashes, Linux prefers forward slashes, and Mac OS is just vibing in between. To avoid compatibility nightmares, always normalize paths. Libraries like OS Path in Python are your best friends. Test, test, and test again, because nothing is worse than a path mishap that sends your code to the void. Ever seen a file name like report final v2 real final, docx? Yeah, we've all been there. Validating file names saves you from chaos. Stick to expected patterns and sanitize those bad boys, no special characters sneaking in. Regular expressions are your secret weapon here. Also, watch out for duplicates unless you fancy playing guess the correct file at 2 a.m. Debugging file name extraction is like detective work, except your suspect is a sneaky file with a weird name. Always log extracted file names to check if they make sense. Unit tests help you catch errors before they ruin your day. Edged cases. Yeah, those are waiting to trip you up, so plan for them. And don't forget debugging tools, they're basically magnifying glasses for your code. Optimizing performance is like making coffee, fast and efficient, but not at the cost of quality. Reduce redundant operations, no need to do the same thing twice. Caching saves the day, like remembering where your keys are instead of checking every room. Profiling shows you where your code is snoozing instead of working. And if your process can multitask, let it parallel execution speeds things up. File name extraction isn't just a geeky obsession, it's super useful. Automate file sorting so you never see untitled one again. Streamline data pipelines by pulling the right info at the right time. Search functionality gets a glow up when file names are structured properly. And integration into apps. Yep, it's a game changer for managing files effortlessly. Wrapping it up, folks. Naming conventions matter, consistency saves lives or at least sanity. Validate file names like you check expiration dates on food. Debugging is your trusty sidekick, use it wisely. And always optimize because sluggish code is as frustrating as slow Wi-Fi. Follow these best practices and your file name extraction process will be unstoppable. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.